For the VnM8, we load the ink ribbon quite easily. It just slides into place. So we'll take the empty take-up core and we'll put that on our top, and it slides right into place like that. For our new ink, what we want to do is we want to look at it, and as we install it, we want to make sure that the ribbon is coming off clockwise. So once we've made sure of that, we'll install it. Just slides right in, and then we'll pull it. We want to make sure it goes underneath the print head, and then we'll adhere it to the empty cardboard. What we want to do now is we just want to roll it until the black ink starts to show. And that will show that it's all even and it's ready to print. All right, there we go. The next thing we want to do is close the print head, and we want to hear 2 clicks on either side, pushing gently on both sides. And there you go, we're done.